rather than just making an attempt to hack, you could finally crack into that system so that you get an warranty. So that's the main motive of this webinar.
We can start now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's start. So I guess everyone is here. Just a second, guys. It's taking me a minute. Sahil, you could just take on for a minute. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll like join back.
Okay.
Sahil, you there?
There.
Yeah, just take for 2 minutes. Let me connect from
उबरा
another
को उड़ा
device.
दूंगा मैं। एक मिनट, पहले तो मीटिंग से उड़ाते हैं। ये
Yeah,
ये
Shubhrata will be answering that your questions. Just give me a minute.
अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं डाले तो मैं उड़ा दूंगा। हाँ, नो वॉइस क्वेश्चन मार्क। यार ये बहुत करता है। हटाओ उसको, देखेंगे तो हटाओ, उसको रिमोट करेगा।
Okay. I
यार ये
guess.
बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो आगे बंदे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं तो ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है।
So I guess you could see my window, I guess.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Okay. So
अरे है एक जगह
let's
यार, वो
get
साइबर
into.
प्रोफेशनल से इसको मैंने
Could you guys see this PPT?
नहीं यार,
Hello.
नॉट विजिबल।
Okay.
Yes.
Let's present once again.
I can share the screen, no issues. Just wait for a moment.
Okay. Okay, you guys are unable to see this, I guess.
I'll just share the screen.
Yeah, go
Give me
on.
a moment. Just
Hello.
stop your sharing for now. I just shared it. Check.
No, I'm just asking in case it's visible because I'll be showing the practical demonstration, right? So it would be helpful rather. So is this PPT visible to all?
क्लाइंट कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बहुत है, 300 लोग हैं भाई,
Yes, yes.
मुझे लंड फर्क
Yes,
पड़ता है,
yes.
Okay,
लेना
finally.
है नहीं, तो लिख देगा क्रिएटिंग
Okay, so let's make it more
अपने हिसाब
interactive, guys, as we were like before.
में कुछ 6 मैसेज आते
So this is an bug bounty roadmap. Like we'll be
हैं,
having an hands-on approach to get started into bug bounty. So have you guys ever came across bug bounty
Sure,
term?
sir.
Like anyone would like to define it? Like kind of just starting and getting an intro. If anyone know by themselves,
मैं करूं,
you could unmute and speak, guys. Or if you're not, just give me a no or
एडमिन है,
something sort of.
Bug bounties are just vulnerabilities in the websites, so you can just find them and the website will pay you for them.
मेरा लोड होने का
Okay, that's very good. So this is the bug bounty roadmap that will be going on, as you said. So we are cyber hacks, like we are here to explore cybersecurity like never before. We give like ethical hacking and cybersecurity practices for cyber experts. So we are someone like who will guide you throughout this webinar and further in this part 2 of the webinar. So here what we are doing is like we'll be interactive more approaches toward bug bounty, and we'll be telling you about the rewards and about the discovering of vulnerabilities that we'll be covering in this course throughout this webinar source. So this is the content that we will be providing, guys. So this is
You are
the
creating a
approach like about the bug
Okay,
bounty
na?
program. The second is you'll be get to knowing about the importance of bug bounty program. Third,
Huh?
you'll be knowing about the overview. Fourth, you'll be gaining more experience about the program, how bug bounty works actually.
एक काम कर,
And the fifth, we have the types of bug bounty.
थोड़ा
Have you
इसको
known any types of bug bounty, guys? Like types, have you came across types?
रुक जाओ।
That's very tricky question in sense. Like if anyone
Yes, sir.
themselves are. Okay.
अरे
Like XSS, IDOR, Cliff hijack session, broken hijacking,
Okay, that's
cook
very cool. But
session hijacking.
प्लस
cool.
9 1
So just want to make you a little bit correct. Like
अरे वो
there
छोड़ दे,
are
वो
multiple
आता
types
जाता
in
जो भी
sense
आती
it's not
जाती
multiple
प्रॉब्लम।
types of vulnerabilities. I'm asking you multiple types of bug bounty.
RDPVD, are you asking about programs?
No, how bug bounties are classified. Like I'm asking, you are a hacker, right?
Yes, sir.
You are telling me about the vulnerabilities that you came across, like OWASP. You are telling me about OWASP, right thing, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm asking you, what are the types of bug bounty? Like
Like
as
they
a
are
hacker,
classified in low, critical, high.
P1, P2, P3, P4, high, low, critical.
अनाउंसमेंट में जाके फिर जाइए
okay,
तो
so
लिखा है
that
कि
is
ये
something
रिमूव फ्रॉम
you'd be
कम्युनिटी,
getting
इसको यहाँ
on
से
your
उड़ाइए,
critical basis.
ट्रेडिंग
So
वाली
that is the
कम्युनिटी
different
है
thing.
वहाँ से उड़ाइए, दोनों से उड़ाइए।
I'm
Okay.
just asking you something that is types of bug bounty. As a hacker, what
सब में
how
नहीं है,
they'll
जिंदा है।
differentiate you as a bug bounty programmer or bug bounty hacker. So, okay, so like just cracking your head more. This is the topic that we are going to cover in that 5th module, that is types of bug bounty. I won't disclose it right now because it would be more, I would say, like, I'll just disclose it right now so it would be less interactive. So let's keep it for the slides. So 6 that we are moving with is bug bounty platform and marketplaces. Anyone could name bug bounty platforms?
HackerOne,
Okay, cool. Next.
Try
anyone?
hack me,
Bugcrowd.
Bugcrowd, Integrity.
Okay, so TrackMe is not an
मकसूद ये
bug
बहुत कर
bounty
रहा था तो
account,
मेरे को उड़ा दिया
like
ब्रो,
platform.
कुछ नहीं
Okay,
किया।
so HackerOne is the one.
मुझे
Anyone
आधा
else?
चैट अभी देखी।
Integrity.
दूसरा मकसूद
Okay.
साइड में मकसूद है, ऊपर नहीं देखा।
Anything else, guys? Guys, everyone could speak up. That would be more interactive rather. Okay, so that's the thing that you know. Okay, so moving on with 7th scope, we'll be covering out the scopes and the rules that are specifically filled for bug bounty hunters, right? So the 8th thing we will be discussing about the rewards, recognition, and the bug hunters that usually after hacking a platform, what are the rewards that you get? What are the recognition you get as a bug hunter? So that would be covering in 8th module. And the 9th module, we have the success tips. Like I'd be showing you a couple of practical things that you could use in your bug bounty journey so that you could get a better reward, I would say. So that's the thing. So wait for the 9th module, guys, because we'll be having a practical session. I won't take it much long, but I'll make it more interactive for you. So the 10th thing is like we'll be discussing about the case study, like what bounties has been previously gotten by people, or like they usually got, right? So that would be discovering in 10th module. So that's all about bug bounty, guys. So let's start with bug bounty. So let me introduce you in short. What is bug bounty? It is an opportunity to earn rewards, I would say. Like rather, it is something that you have more discovering vulnerabilities. You also get an access for edge cutting of technologies and platform. So basically, you have like bounty programs. So where you have as a cybersecurity person or a bug bounty hunter. It is an making an internet more safer for a company to run it like platform, I would say. So it is something like you could also take it flexible schedules. Like if you're working somewhere out there, and as in side business, you want to work somewhere as a bug bounty hunter. At night, you could sit, like you could take 2 to 3 hours, and you could just go on this bug bounty platforms and start attacking by yourself. That makes you an third party source of income, so that you could make your more work flexible, and it is like you could work from home, rather you could work from anywhere as a bug bounty hunter. So it is a chance to collaborate with industrial professional and experts. So here you'd be like connecting. Once you started getting your rewards, your ranking would be, your profile would be rated by individuals as the company person, so that you could be getting opportunities to work and collaborate with industrial professional, as well as you'll be getting to study with experts. They'll invite you from front so that you could hack their system, or that you could work on with. Okay, so that's all about bug bounty. So anyone like to like they want to ask something that you haven't cleared about bug bounty?
Cybersecurity professional.
I'm not giving an like theoretical purpose. I'm just want to make this interactive session. That's it. So if anyone want to come up and like, add on something, if they have anything.
हार्ट वाले करके ना एक है, उसको कह दे कुछ की
Anyone, guys? Okay, so I'll take it as no. Moving further. So importance of bug bounty hunting. So bug bounty hunting plays a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity by encouraging ethical hackers to identify and report vulnerabilities, and the company to proactively address security flaws, protect user data, and prevent potential breach. So something that a company take initiative to give it to a public hacker, so that they could take this research and organization to a platform where it has been secured by the hackers from all over the world. It's not particularly a firm, it's neither an organization that would be taking this step. As a learner, you could go yourself, engage with that platforms, and you could make the safe digitalized environment for yourself. Okay. So this is the overview that we will be covering on. We'll be having multiple types of XSS attack. You might have heard about password attacks. You might have heard about brute force attack, SQL injection attacks, and multiple types of attacks, right? So have anyone came across these types of attack? Like a couple of them said, Hemant said, Sai said, and two more, Elton also said that they came across these types of attacks. So anyone else rather than them?
बढ़िया चल रहा है भाई, अच्छा खासा है 20।
Yeah, guys.
उसने पीपीटी क्यों रेडी करी? मैंने की यार, बना के लिंक भेजा था, जो वही कर रहा है।
Come on, guys, like speak up. Like I want
But
you guys to speak.
संभालनी आती है जनता, और
because if I speak from one side, it won't be more interactive.
क्वेश्चन वगैरह भी सही है, बढ़िया है, ठीक है।
I got one yes. Anyone else? You could say a no. Like give me a no. It's okay. I'll take you in depth. I'll teach you the practical stuff as well in the further webinar. Hello. Anyone there? Anyone want to come up and speak? Okay. So I'll be taking this as no and moving further. So this is the first attack that most of you might have heard about. That is very cross-site scripting attack. It's the most common vulnerability that everyone usually find, and as an hacker you find interesting to getting started with
यार
XSS.
इसको ना बहुत आलस
Could
आता है
anyone
कि
tell
मुझे
how many
समझ
types
में
of
आ रहा है यहाँ
XSS
पे कुछ
attack?
क्या
Like
क्या है
I see few of them like who already
यार
practice
इसको मैंने
this.
कहा कैनवा
So
का तेरा
anyone
ना
of you?
जीमेल पे आ गया होगा
I guess you
काम
guys are
इस
interacting.
बंदे ने उसको
Three
नहीं
types,
उसको
I
इसने
think.
जब शेयर किया ना इसने शेयर
Cool.
किया जो
So
तुमने
you
शेयर
could
किया
name
था
them
मैंने
if you are
लिंक के थ्रू
comfortable.
जिसमें तुम्हें 0 एक्सेस होता है मैंने कहा भाई तू अपने वहां से कर लियो
There
वहां
is
से ना प्रॉपर एक्सेस होता है कि तुम एडिट वेडिट कर सकते हो जो
Blind
करना चाहो कर
XSS.
सकते
blind SSS.
Cool.
Cross site.
Okay, that's the full form. I'm asking you the types if you have already came across.
मतलब ये या तो बहुत बिजी है
Okay, so I'll take it
ये
as
अब
no.
क्या ही बोलूं चल कर
For
रहा
the
है
beginners who are
नहीं
just
समझ
starting,
आया होगा कैनवा
let me
नहीं
take
चलाया
an
होगा
recap,
maybe
guys,
मैंने
so
भी
that
कैनवा
they
चलाया
could
था
be also
ये
familiar
वाले
with
काम
XSS.
चली है
So
मैं
XSS
कहाँ
is
से
nothing
चलाता
but
मेरी
that is
आईडी
an
था ये
attacker injects an
कोई नहीं
malicious
चलो
script into a web
इससे
application
बाद
which
में
then execute in the content of web browser. Rather than taking it theoretically, I would like to explain you have you ever seen a website, guys? So
लड़की
sometimes
से
you inject some malicious code. In sense
अरे
like
तुम डाल सकते हो
as an hacker,
टेक्स्ट
you try to give a
टेंशन नहीं
link
है
or you try to create an malicious
तुम टेक्स्ट
code,
डाल सकते हो दोनों
right,
में से
guys?
कोई
So
भी
have you came
इतना
across
इशू
that
थोड़ी
term
ना
at least?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the thing. Like we'll be
बस
injecting
वो
one
टेक्स्ट डाल
script
दे बाकी मैं
that is
संभाल
been
दूंगा
created by ourselves. That is
छोटा
a
सा डाल दे
hacker. So we
छो-
as an hacker, we will be creating an injection link
क्या
that would
भांग वांग
be
पी के बैठा था
put
क्या फिर
into
से
the
तू
web
भांग पी लिया
application so
क्या
that you would be execute into your browser,
अच्छा
so
रहने
that
दे रहने दे
will
रहने
get
दे मैं
an
देख
proper
लूंगा इसको
XSS
हुआ
attack
क्या है तो बता
and will
पहले
get the sensitive data that has been stored in the web server. Like for example, you guys have already registered in some say gmail.com or any website, right? So that content would be stored. Your
हाँ
personal
समझ गया
data, your credentials, your birth of date, credential would be stored in that website. So by using this XSS attack, what we'll be doing is we'll be injecting that
हाँ
malicious
वही
code
है
into that website. That website would get crashed or
समझा
it would reflect
थम
your
जरा थम जरा थम जरा थम
sensitive
जरा
data
थम
to
जरा
the attacker.
क्या हरकत
So
हो रही
that's
है
the
एक सेकंड
critical vulnerability. Like who would want their
निकल गया
credential
सब
to be
में
disclosed to
क्या
any
तेरा
hacker,
बकचोदी
right?
कर रहा है भी
Everyone want their credential to be safe,
ठीक है
like
बंदा
from
तो
each
यार
other.
जल्दी बोल
Like
तो
we usually don't share our credential with our friends as well.
अनाउंसमेंट से उड़ा रहा हूँ
So
इसको
that's the main critical purpose of this
नहीं
XSS.
छोड़
So
ठीक है
for the persons
खुद
who
निकल
told
गया
like there are
मैक्सिमम
3
जगह
types
से
of XSS, let me tell you
ठीक है
the
हाँ
3 types
ठीक
of XSS
sure
are: first is
बता
reflected XSS, second is your stored XSS, and third one is your DOM XSS. Okay, so I'll be showing you the
हाँ
practical section of also reflected XSS so that it would be more engaging with
ट्रॉफी
this term what XSS
ट्रॉफी
actually does.
अच्छा
So how do
हाँ
we
हाँ
mitigate it? Have you ever thought, always we
सही है
thought like we'll be attacking this website, but have you anyone thought like I'll be safeguarding the system? Anyone of you?
ये दुबई से आगे लोग अच्छा
Anyone? Can I get a yes or no?
No.
Okay, so let me tell you like every as an hacker you always try to get into
दे दे
website
यार
but you
बेचारे
never
को
thought
ऐसे
as
ना
an
कर
hacker to safeguard that system, because as an attacker it's
अच्छा
not your role to
फिर
always
ठीक है
attack.
भाई
You should also know how people can't track you. That's the main motive
यार ये चल क्या रहा
motive
है
of an hacker,
ये
so
चल
that you
क्या
could
रहा है
hack.
मीटिंग में
Because what's the use if you hack and
इन
people
आउट
came
इन
to know
आउट इन
who
आउट इन
you
आउट बेंच
actually
आ
are?
रहे हैं जा रहे हैं आ रहे हैं जा रहे
So
हैं
that's the main thing. As a hacker, you should be always known with the mitigation
20 है
purposes. So here, as an XSS, we have input
नहीं
validation
यार
and output encoding.
आज
I'll
इसको
be
मैंने
showing
एक
you this in
इंस्ट्रक्शन दे
practical
दिए
session
कि
so that you
आज ना
understand much more better.
ऐसा इंटरेक्शन बनाना
The
कि
next
अगली
thing
बार लोग
that
आए
is
बस
improper access
कोर्स का नहीं
control.
भोगना है
Have
जरा
anyone came across this term?
पहले दिन कोर्स का दे देते हो ना या
I
फिर
guess very
इंसान
few
आना
of
बंद
them.
हो जाते हैं देखा अगर पहली मीटिंग में जैसे पहले
Anyone?
वेबिनार में तुम कह दो जी हमारा कोर्स है ये वो लोग सोचते हैं भाई कोर्स
Okay, I'll
बेचने
take
के
it
लिए
as
वेबिनार
no.
था
So,
इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि
and
अगले वेबिनार में हिंट
IS
देने हैं
occurs when an
कि
attacker
इफ यू
bypasses
वांट टू
an
लर्न
access
मोर
restriction
और
to gain
कॉन्टैक्ट
unauthorized access to the sensitive
चेक दिस
data and
लिंक मैं अपना लिंक
functionality.
डाल दूंगा
So what? This
उसके
is
बाद
the
मैं
one
बात कर
type
लूंगा
of
वो सब ठीक है बट
like
मेरे को
attack
कोर्स का भी
that
देखना
usually
पड़ेगा
hackers
कि
when
कोर्स कितने का
happen with
लगाना
the
है
sensitive data and
कितने महीने
functionality.
का है
So this is one
और
type of
उसकी डिजाइनिंग अलग
XSS.
चलेगी
The second term is
मैं नहीं बनाना
IS.
मार चुदा
So
ये
this
मैं
is
नहीं
the
कर रहा बेंचो
informative
एक बार मैंने कर दिया
information
ठीक है
disclosure system. That the third
वैसे इसने कहा ठीक बनाइए
hacking system
जो
that would be
रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी
I
वो
would
होगी
like to
इसकी
tell you. So this is
4
the
5 जगह
most
से
common
चपका है
as well as
मतलब
vulnerability
चैट
that
जीपीटी
reveals
नहीं
your
यूज किया
sensitive
चूतिया
data
लगता है मुझे
unconditionally. Like as a person, you don't know where
गूगल
your
गूगल मार के मैंने
sensitive
बना
data
दी
has been
जीपीटी
exposed to any hacker or any part of like a hacker might be sitting in
है
USA or
नहीं यार, ने
Australia,
कुछ चेंज
anywhere,
नहीं किया, एक
or
चेंज नहीं
as
किया
you're
इसने।
working from India, or you could say you're working from Australia. So your data might be exposed to anyone at any platform at any point of stage, right? So this is the most common informative disclosure
अभी
vulnerability that
बाहर
reveals your
कुछ है,
sensitive
एक बार में
data.
कर देते
It
हैं,
may be
कोई
your
दिक्कत नहीं,
credential,
एक
it may
बार
be
में
your
चेक ठीक
address,
है,
it may
कोई
be your
दिक्कत
phone number, emails,
नहीं।
and much more things.
हाँ, मैं
So the
फर्स्ट टाइम
impact of
बस
this is
अभी
like attacker
फर्स्ट
get
टाइम
an
में कुछ
excessive
नहीं कहता,
sensitive
बाकी
data information sharing, such as
देखेंगे।
credential
अगली
and
बार
your
नहीं
system
करूँगा,
details,
इस बार मैंने
like
बना
what
दी
system
थी
you are
तो
using, what is your
कोई
IP
बात नहीं,
address.
चलो।
From IP address, you're sure like you'll be getting tracked down, right, guys? Do you know
भाई
that
मैं
from your
बैठा हूँ
IP
मीट
address
चला
you
के
could be
कोई
tracked
वॉल्यूम पे,
down?
Yes,
मैं
yes.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ।
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
So that's
मेरे
the
को
thing
वैसे
that
बताऊँ तेरे को, मीटिंग
makes
में
it more
थर्ड पार्टी के
like
बहुत फायदा है,
sensitive, because
तुम्हें दिख जाता है कौन कोर्स
anyone
लेगा,
don't want that identified,
जो
like
बोल रहा है वो
they
कोर्स
don't
लेगा।
want
मजाक से हट के बताऊँ तेरे
anyone
को,
to know
मैंने
their
देखा
your
है जितने लोगों ने मेरे से बात
proper
की है ना
location or
प्रॉपरली
anything sort
मीटिंग
of.
में, वही
So
कोर्स
that's
पे
the
बैठे हैं
thing
अभी।
that came up with information disclosure.
यार
Have you
सुल्लू
came
कुछ
across
नहीं
this
होगा था
server side
यार,
request
बकचोदी काट
forgery?
ली हमने तो, मेरी
This is
बात
the
नहीं कर
I
लिया
mean like
चुतिया, चल कोई नहीं,
upcoming
चलता
kind
रहता
of
है
forgery
यार।
request
सुब्रो
like
बात ही कर
everyone
रहा था
get.
कि ये बताओ वो बताओ,
Anyone
बाद में फिर वो ना
who
इमोजी
just
की बकचोदी
gone
में
through this
इरिटेटिंग
or
लगती है,
anything you
क्यों
heard
बुला
about
रहे हो?
this?
फिर पता नहीं कुछ निशान भी करता है, पहले दिन से बकचोदी करता है
Okay,
ना।
so let me
मैं क्या
make you
ठीक
this
है भाई,
short. Like
मेरा दिमाग
it's
खराब
like
लगा दो
an attacker like makes an request from a server
यार। इसने
to an
इसने
internal
यार
resource of
पता
an
है क्या है,
external
इसने
system.
इसका मेरे
Do
को
you get this
इसके
term?
साथ मेरी
I know it's pretty
चुतियाब मेरे को
tricky,
इसलिए है
but I would
कि
like
इसने
to
वैसे
tell
अभी
you
कुछ नहीं
like
किया,
it's
इसके
like
पहले चुतियापन
you are
का
making
उड़ाया
a
इसने।
request to a server,
पहले
right?
चुतियापन में
You're
ये था
typing
कि मुझे साइबर सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशन से
www.google.com.
रिमूव करवाना चाह
So
रहा था पूरे
that is
कॉन्फिडेंस
been
में। इसको तो
forwarded to
निकालो भाई,
DNS server, that
बेकार
is
है।
your Google server. So as an attacker,
अच्छा वो
they'll
सब
be
छोड़,
sharing
साइबर
their
सिक्योरिटी इंडिया में देख लो
internal
जरा, कुछ चुतियाब तो
resources
नहीं
to
हुआ
your
है,
external system.
क्योंकि
They'll be
ये
saying
बहुत
that
बहन का
I
लोड़ा
am
आदमी
your
है,
Google,
ये मुंह
I
फाड़ने
am
में
your
बहुत तेज है। इस
www.google.com,
बंदे ने मेरे को
and you will be
निकाल दिया,
thinking, yeah,
डोमेन
this is
ज्वाइनिंग
the
ये
same
वो,
website or
कुछ ऐसा
same
किया इसने?
like request that has been forwarded by me,
नहीं
right?
नहीं, साइबर
You won't
सिक्योर
think
इंडिया,
much. If you
एक
see
मिनट।
that google.com, you'll type searching, but you don't know what you're searching has been recorded into hacker system. Got it? What I'm trying to say.
अच्छा हाँ, एक मिनट यार, एक और मिनट।
Yes.
ओए भाई
So
बात
that's
कर,
the
Yes,
thing
yes.
like
अब
server
मेरे को
side
वो चेक
request
करना
forgery
था, एक
does.
मिनट रुको, होल्ड
So you weren't
साइबर
getting to know
सिक्योरिटी
like what happened in
प्रोफेशनल।
background, what happened in server. So this would be making an
हाँ कुछ नहीं
more
बोला इसने,
impact
ठीक है
on data leakage, like
बताओ।
your own data, personal searches or anything. It will make like more even remote code
एक सेकंड बस,
executions. Like with this, you'll be getting an user supplied
ईयरफोन पहन
URL,
लेंगे मेरे
right?
भाई।
See the mitigation. I would like to say you the third point. Mitigation in sense like how would you protect that?
वो एक मिनट
It's
बस।
like validate and sanitize user supplied URLs. In sense, I gave you the example of www.google.com. So you never sanitize or
आवाज आ
validate
रही?
that is properly google.com itself. It may be anything. You could go and you could also search for Instagram. You could also search for Facebook. What if you start type your username and your password, and what that password and username get to the
हेलो।
hacker? The next moment your Instagram would be out. The next moment your Facebook account would be
ठीक है बताओ।
taken by someone else, right? That is something done by the server side by an attacker so that you
अरे
get an
यार
proper
मैं ना
network
यार क्या होता है ना, देख
access.
मैं बताता हूँ देखो,
Got it?
उस ग्रुप में एटलीस्ट उसी से हमारी रीच बढ़ी है
I
एक्चुअली, पूरे ग्रुप की, पूरे
guess very
कम्युनिटी
noise,
की, तो मैं
guys.
नहीं चाह
I
रहा था
want a
शुरू में निकालना।
response. It
सो
would be
ब्रो
very
सुन ले,
good.
वो जिस ग्रुप से आया
Okay.
ना, उस ग्रुप में अगर थोड़ा
Yes,
रहता है
yes.
तो
Yes.
I have a question.
बहुत
Okay,
ज्यादा
go
होती है।
on.
तो ना मेरे को था कि यार तू सोच,
Does
तू एक ग्रुप
defining
से आ रहा
the
है और
IP
सब लोग
addresses
थोड़ा बहुत एक
and
दूसरे को जानते हैं,
domain names in
और
a
तुझे
host
एकदम से
file
निकाल देगा
protect
कि
you
तू थोड़ा
from this type of
बहुत
an
मार
attack?
जाएगा भाई, तुम भी सब निकलो इसके पीछे से।
Does your IP address and your
मैं
domain
वही
name?
चाह रहा था, इसीलिए मैंने टाइम
Defining
लगाया
them in
तुझे
your
करने
host
में।
file in your computer, does it help with anything to protect you against CRSF and access?
अरे नहीं
Okay,
नीचे
so
नीचे यार,
it's like
इतनी जल्दी नहीं
something that
करते
is
ना
not
यार,
on your storing
काफी
on your
चुतियाते
desktop.
होते हैं फिर।
It is something that you do on your
ट्रेसिंग
web
बहुत इजी
server.
है मेरी, तो मैं
Like
थोड़ा
it is
डर ही लगता है
a
यार,
complete form of your
मेरे को एक
network
इंसान
access.
ट्रेस कर
What
ले।
you usually search on your website or
क्या
what an attacker has sent you the link.
भाई
For
रिमूव हो गया
example,
वो
a
अपने आप?
URL, right? Everything happens from an URL that you play on your
नहीं
network
नहीं नहीं,
access.
जो
It's
रह
nothing
गया सो छोड़ दे।
related to your
देख उसने कोई
host
हरकत
machine
करनी
rather
होती
than
तो
its
बैठ के
server.
कर देता, तो
It's
फिर मैं
completely
6 पैसे
user
डाउन
client to
तोड़ता।
server
अभी इसने कहा
platform.
यूजलेस पीपल करके
I
छोड़
hope this
देता हूँ,
clears your
तो
doubt.
मैं भी इसको कुछ नहीं कहूँगा।
Yeah,
ठीक है
thank
भाई,
you.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, so finally one question. I'm getting one
नाइस।
question, guys. I want you guys to
हैं
interact with me. That would be more
भाई
Like I would love myself to explore more
कोई
and
बात नहीं,
get to
नाम
learn
गलत
more.
लिख दे
So
सही।
that's the thing I am trying to do over here. Okay, so next
हुआ?
thing I'll be sharing about the
एक मिनट तू
IDOT.
होल्ड रहे, तू चुप रह
Like,
दो
I'm just covering a few topics so that you would be familiar, guys. Like I don't want, as a beginner, I know you might not be familiar with these terms, but what I'm trying to do is like I'm trying to introduce you with this vulnerability so that when I am doing my practical stuff, when I am showing you my practical stuff, you shouldn't be like, I heard this term somewhere, but I don't know where. So you could just
How
relate a
to
bit with me
do
so that I am
bug
trying
bounty
to
as a
like give
fresher?
you an glance, like what are
सुन ही
types
रहा
of
था,
attacks, how attacker try to get into,
विठल था वो कह रहा क्या हुआ है भाई?
right? So this is the thing I am trying to do as saying a quite of vulnerabilities
कि
to
जब
you.
स्टेट ठीक नहीं होती,
So
बात करनी
IDOR
पड़ती
is
है।
one of the vulnerabilities that
सुब्रो है ना,
attacker access and
इससे
manipulate
गंदा बवाल
objects
काटता
such
है
as
ये।
file, your records,
जब ये
or
स्टेट
your
में होता है, इसलिए कॉल पे बात करिए।
like it may be your video files, it may be your
है यार,
APK,
मुझे
like
ऐसे
it may
पर्सनली
be
नहीं पता,
PNG file, it
चुप
may
रह
be
के सुन रहे
JPG
थे मेरे
file
को।
or PDF files. So attacker try to just convert that,
साइबर की थोड़ी
manipulate
नॉलेज
that
ज्यादा नहीं,
object
इतनी
and
पक्की
play
बात
with you, so that you get tricked and you don't know that a malicious code has been injected in that file system, right? Like if someone send you some file, you never think of downloading it, right? You never think. If someone has said you will just tap on download and you just download that file, but inside that you never know like what kind of like malicious code has been
Holy
injected to your
crap.
system or to your host machine. So that could infect and that would
ये वाली
give an
vulnerability
unauthorized access to the attacker directly, right? It would be
vulnerability का ना
giving your
practical एक
account
एग्जांपल बता रहा है कैसे
details. It
करती
may
है।
be the sensitive
वही वाला
information that
जैसे
you
अब
stored or
तू
document you
शार्क
have
टैंक में
stored
सब
in your
देखते हैं,
system or your host
कहीं में
machine
डाउनलोड हो
or
जाती है
anything
फाइल
that is has been controlled. So that is the thing that IDOR I would like to give you an example how IDOR works actually. It's not proper definition, but I want you to understand how IDOR actually
ले
works.
तूने पैसे दे दूंगा।
Hope you got it.
अभी नहीं दे रहा यार, पहले ही मैं 1,500 डाउन हूँ, मेरे को 2 दिन दे दे, 1 दिन दे दे।
Can I get a yes?
Yes, yes.
Cool. Okay, so
कितने
that's
कब
completely
कर रहा है?
theoretical part. Now I'm just keeping theoretical because I'm just done with theoretical and hope so you guys also would have. So have you ever thought how bug bounty program works in person? In person, I'm asking, in person. Or in a firm or in an organization. How does it actually work?
गई क्या? क्या गई?
Why do companies give like
बापू को बोल दे,
they come up with bug bounty works?
ये नहीं होती।
Anyone?
Supposed to enhance their
कितना
security.
है?
Okay.
वेटिंग लिस्ट
Cool.
क्या होता है सर?
Anything else?
15 क्या? वरना
Guys, I am not moving further until you guys speak up.
No, sir.
Why do you think bug bounty programs are carried out by companies?
बता देता। मेरे को टेंशन लिटरली।
Come on,
To
guys.
find the
speak up.
कर दे तू
find the
बुक, मैं वैसे भेज
vulnerabilities
देता हूँ।
which are in their systems, network, websites.
Cool. Okay, that's very good. Anyone else?
To perform patch management.
Okay, cool. Anything else?
हाँ भाई, कर दे यार।
Come on, guys. You'll be getting reward if you learn from
किसकी
me.
रात ना
Then
निकल जाए इससे
further
अच्छा।
you just go and practice. And in case you get $100 or like $200, then you would be thanking me, right? So I want you to
Yes, sir,
speak
of
at
course.
least. I'm giving my entire knowledge to you that you could perform by yourself. I want your answer. That's it.
कह रहा है, I will teach you about bounties. You get $100,
Anyone else?
$200. You will thank me later.
Just give me a no if you don't know anything else rather than that.
यार ऐसे सीखने को बहुत मिलने वाला है मेरे को तो।
Okay, so I'll take it as no. I guess no one is ready to
तू
speak
भर
up
दे
more.
दोनों, रिफंड हो जाता है
So
ना?
bug bounty programs are usually carried out by
मैं
companies
भेज
to
देता हूँ,
give
तू भर दे
bounties.
अभी।
Like they give their website to
तेरे
the
बाजार
public
ही
hackers.
हो गए यार,
Like
बाजार
what they
तो
do
मैं
is
भेज
like
देता।
they give hackers that are all over the world so that they could come to their organization as a platform rather than coming in person. They give a platform. Like it may be Bugcrowd, say.
भाई तू कर दे बस, देख लेंगे वो।
Every hacker from every single country or every
तू
corner of
दोनों
this
भर दे
world
अभी के
would
अभी।
come on that platform and try to find the vulnerabilities on that website so that they could be rewarded. Like if the hacker tried to find the proper legitimate hacking system, like in case they propagate sensitive data, so the companies would be giving them dollars, like they would be giving them swatches, they would be giving them what do you say, like they would be giving them some t-shirts, caps. Have you seen people wearing Google's shirts and all that stuff? That's pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Everyone like to carry one. Like, I got this from Google, I got this from Amazon, I got this from Netflix. So that's the thing that the company gives as in bug bounty programmers. That's how it works. So it's a security researcher to report bugs to an organization and receive rewards on compensation. Like, it's not only finding bugs. As an hacker, you are not supposed to only like attack the system, but you must also be aware about that report, how a proper report should be written and be like presented to the organization so that you get the proper compensation. Like, they'll be giving you bounties, right? So for getting that bounty, you should at least give them a proper description how actually you carried out that attack. What are the steps that how you carried out? Like, let's say you started attacking the web server. Like, you just saw the website and you feel like, I want to try accesses on this, right? So you started trying accesses and you got an reflected accesses, let's say. So what you will be doing? You can't report directly, so you need to create a proper report of a bug to the organization. You'll be attaching your screenshot, your data that has been produced by the website to the company so that you get an bounty. So that's the main motive of bug bounty programs. Okay, so why do you think researcher and hacker participate in bug bounty program, guys? So this is like, I just got a couple of responses from you guys. So it's like earning cash bounces for discovering and reporting vulnerabilities. That's the first thing. Second thing is that showcase real world experience when job seeking. Like, everyone want to do a relaxation job rather than doing 9-to-5 jobs, right? So as an hacker, like you could take this profession as full-time as well. If you are earning more than an salaried person, because if your findings are more critical, you'd be giving an more job seeking opportunity over here. So that's the beauty of bug bounty programs that usually connect with people. The third thing is like connecting with the security teams within the organization. You know, like, I just want to make a point, like most of you might not have heard about this. If you started doing bug bounty and you successfully got your bounties like couple of times, let's say you got it for 10 times, you have mastered it right now, your rank, your profile would increase, right? So what you'll be gaining the security team of that firm. Let's say like you hack Netflix, let's say, because Netflix is now OTT platform that has been went to another trend, right? So let's say you hacked Netflix, or you got the sensitive data, like people's username and your passwords, let's say. So what the security researcher of the team of that organization will do, they'll see this person has gained this with a proper report. They'll try to connect you and they'll ask you to join that team, or they would ask you to work over there as a contract or part-time basis. So that would like, as a person who would not want to work with Netflix, right? Everyone themselves want to work with an organization so that you could safeguard your systems or anything. That would be cool. Swatches, you could be getting more number of bounties, and like, you could be getting Netflix t-shirts, swatches, everything. So that's the thing that has been going. Okay, so someone answered me the type of bug bounty program. So let's not keeping it more private. I would like to take this deeper, guys. So who answered that? Can I get a yes from him? The person who tried.
I tried, sir.
Yes, I guess.
Okay. So these are the types of bug bounty I would like to let you know. So these are the two. Actually, there are 3 types, but I would like to make you more familiar with these 2 types rather right now. The public program and the private program. As a bug bounty hunter, you are like, it's not like you are only a hacker. You are discriminated into public programs. You will be discriminated into private programs, and the third program, that is invite program. Okay, so that's not mentioned over here because it would be more depth. So I'm just taking as an webinar first part 1, I'm just taking this program as part 1 basis. So what is public programmer? As a public bug bounty programmer, anyone can participate throughout the world. It's not like every hacker is been diverse range around the world. It's not limited to a specific people that only this specific part of people could perform this attack on this website, because no one could go
9888
themselves and like attack any website, right? If in
677
case you do also as an hacker, you
012
want to go and attack that website, so you can't go and directly do that,
हाँ
because you will be getting an imprisonment or
ready
you will be getting fined for that. I guess you
talk to
everyone
Sam
might have known about this.
ये
Yes,
hit
sir.
किया है
If anyone who is
ना
giving a no, who
001
didn't know about this,
सब small है
anyone guys?
001
Come on guys, speak up.
@gmail.com
Only couple of them are speaking. Okay, so let's moving on further. Like as an hacker, you can't attack any system, right? So as an attacker, you can't
यार
go
ये
into
क्या
anyone
हुआ
website and start attacking by yourself, because that would lead
20
you
से
into
17 हो
imprisonment
गया
and you could also be fined for that in a very
2025
huge
रैंक चल
fine.
रही थी अब
Like you
17 पे
can't
आ गई
afford rather. So that's the thing, like
आ
bug
रहे जा
bounty
रहे करके
programs are usually
2021
occurred. So
23
public programmer is
17
where every hacker from around the world are getting engaged with this security
कोई
researchers part
नहीं
for an
अगली बात
organization
है प्रैक्टिकल
beneficials.
रख देंगे थोड़ा
And private programmer is
क्या
something like it has been invite only for a specific number of people.
क्या
Like
डाल
let's say like you have already found you have a good portfolio on Bugcrowd. So what they'll be doing is they'll be selecting people who already have found like already hacked into some server, or they got bounties,
अरे
or they
भेज
have a
देता
good
हूँ
profile, like where people get
भाई तू
disclosed
पूरा
to
अमाउंट ले ले रख
new
ले
hacking
12
systems,
से पहले भेज
and
दूंगा
they
अभी
know
रुक जा
that
एक
this
मिनट
hacker is a proper
ठीक
legitimate hacker, so that we could give our website on, and we could like close the
अमाउंट याद
eyes and
रखियो
trust on
बस
that. So that's how private program
और
works.
व्हाट्सएप कर दे
So they'll only invite that specific amount of hackers who have performed well in that previous bug bounty or public programs.
मैं वैसे आज तक
Okay, so these are the types. Hope you guys are cleared about types of bug bounty, right?
जरूरत
Programmers.
नहीं पड़ी यार
Yes,
करके
sir.
ना मैं देता हूँ तो
Yes.
एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट लिख लो
Cool. So these are the rewards and recognition by the bug hunt. Let me tell you my story.
हुआ?
Like when
Ban
I
down
started my course, like I also was a fresher, like far more behind, like a couple of years back, 3 years back, 3 to 4 years back. I never know about this. I never came across this. When I got my first attack, or I got my first bounty, the same reaction that you would be getting one day sooner. I know, like when you start practicing this and you start engaging more into bug bounty programs. So I got let's say like I got $100 bounty, so or I got swages. The company asked me to share my
आ गया
address so that they
भाई
could send their swages, something sort of.
कुछ
That made
देना
me
है
as an
तेरे
ethical hacker, that made me motivational, that gave me motivated
पेटीएम मारा है तू
in public recognition, rather like it
ठीक है
built my reputation in the security community, right? Like as a person,
हाँ भाई
I
ठीक
get
है
a chance to let people recognize
है
me
तो महंगा
by
भाई
like
चलो
putting my
जल्दी पहुंचा रहा है
reputation in the
भाई
security community. That's the main stage what an hacker want by in
यार
person.
कजन ना मिल जाए गांव बच जाएगी
So that are some rewards and recognition that bug bounty hunter usually get. So usually like what happened is like
भाई
you
रिवॉर्ड
get
एंड
known by
रिकॉग्निशन कौन
public
से स्टेज पे
organization or website, like any
पीपीटी की
social media platform. You get yourself discovered by people, or you get badges, or you get other digital goodies, like you get pen, you might get if you're very more lucky, you might get laptop bags or anything far more. Like you can't imagine what bounties you could get or swages you
ये
could get.
समझाएगा
So that's the thing, like when
मैंने
you
डाला नहीं फ्रेंड
crack
को
into a
बहुत था
system, you'll be
है
getting
बग
this
बाउंटी हंटर है डालेंगे
bug bounty
बोलो तो
rewards and
जीतेगी
recognition
जीतेगी
by the
तो
company
क्या
if they are not able to give you bounties. Have
हाँ
you
हाँ
ever thought, like in case you
हाँ
hack some system
चैट
and
हुई थी
they
बात हुई
don't
थी
give you
5 मिनट पहले
let's say bounty, they won't give you money, bounty in sense money. So what they'll be
मैंने
giving
क्यों
you?
कहा था
Anyone?
Hall of Fame, swags.
Okay,
मैंने कहा
Hall
था
of
सब में
Fames.
कम कम
Okay,
रहेगा
anyone
ऐड ऑन सब में
anything
करके
else?
कुछ में है कुछ में कम है कुछ में बहुत कम है जितना एक प्लेट में
Anyone guys? Anyone like think if
चार
they
पेज
won't
थे
give
वो
you money, like if they won't give you some recognitions, like you
What the fuck
you are the XSX
14
person that have did this vulnerability and got this proper attack. So what they'll be giving
डिक्लेयर
you?
हुआ है ऐसा 25 20 14 ये
Anyone?
गांव पर
Come
लेकिन
on
दो
guys,
बंदे
speak up, say
तीन
no at least.
3 से 4 बंदे पक्के कर दिए इनने
It's same the T-shirt
एक
and
ही
Hall
बंदे
of
के पैसे
Fame
जा
merchandise.
Okay.
बोला है मैंने
So
अगले
most of the
में
time,
प्रैक्टिकल कराएगा
people
ये
don't give
अगले में
merchandise,
प्रैक्टिकल
T-shirt,
कराएगा
or
उसमें
like
बंदे
they might
लाऊंगा
not
मैं
give you stickers, but they might give you a platform to work with their security community as well. they'll invite you with their security team so that you could be getting to know them, like the people who are working in the organization, and you could interact with them and learn so that it develop your skill to some extreme good stage, so that you could work with that organization to safeguard their system or anyone else platform. So that's the thing that people don't know actually. So they don't take that seriousness of what an bug bounty hunter can do, like to show their like showcase their participation in that platforms. So that's the thing that professionals don't usually know as a freelance opportunity and job seeking opportunity. So that's the thing that bug bounty achievements gives you. Okay. Huh. So these are the scopes, like, and these are the rules. I just want you guys not taking this scope and these rules in theoretical form. I guess my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just I would like to take you on this Bugcrowd dashboard. For the people who don't know what is Bugcrowd, I guess this is visible.
Oh भाई
Yeah, yes, sir. It is with.
Yes, yes. Please believe.
Okay, so now it's
मैं
making
तो
it more
confused है।
practical. Okay, so Bugcrowd is something that I just said, like, company come up by yourself. They say they'll give you $100 or like $7,500. Like you could convert that into like Indian rupee. Like anyone could tell how much that cost would be.
तो देख के
Anyone,
लाइक
guys?
नहीं करता ना प्लीज देख लिया कर बेशरम आदमी
It's taking time to convert.
बेहया आदमी बहन के लौड़े मादर चोद
How much?
रीडी के बच्चे
$7,000 would be
बड़ा
Indian
आया
rupee.
हम तो वो
Or
हैं
any other. Like you
साधु
could translate
लौड़ा
your
काट दूंगा मैं तेरा
6,75,000.
चैलेंज की वीडियो में तूने
Okay,
लाइक मारा मैं
so
आशा
see
का
this. This company is giving you 6 lakh rupees. Have you ever imagined as a bug bounty
ये वीडियो
hunter
में
how
तूने
much
लाइक
you will be
किया है
earning just to find
किलो
one critical vulnerability? No, right? That's the thing. People don't know the power of bug bounties, like what they could get. This is the minimum thing. $100 is the minimum thing. You'll be getting here more than what you expect as a web
लिख देता हूँ
like bug bounty hunter
होगी कोई
hacker. So let's
नहीं
make
लिख
you
रहा
like
नहीं लिख रहा
as we
हंसने की
discussed in
मुझे
this,
भेज
like
दे
we'll be
बस
discussing about the scope and the rules of engagement. So let's say I already took Netflix, so I luckily got this Netflix over here. So let's deep dive into Netflix.
इंटरेक्शन तो ठीक है बट
Okay, so everyone might have came across this term Netflix, right?
देखा नहीं होता
In
Yes,
today's date, I don't think
यार,
anyone is not familiar with
Yes.
Netflix.
खराब कर दिया यार
Yeah, okay. So
दोबारा गिर
this
गया
is the
यार।
Netflix platform. Like they
इतना
give
नहीं गिरा कभी
the minimum 200 bounties
अच्छा
to
मतलब
20,000
झूठे भरे थे
per vulnerability. You could see this term per vulnerability, right? So every single time you hack into the system, they'll giving you this range of bounty. So that's the thing what Netflix gives you. And the rewards until now you could see the rewarded vulnerabilities rewarded is 838 till date. People have like given 838 vulnerabilities to Netflix so that they could get this kind of bounties.
हाँ।
So that's the main motive of this program is like to help you
अरे
with
वो तो end
this
में होता है
finding
ना।
of vulnerability, how you could practically hack
बोला है
a
बोल
system and you could be getting
कब
this
कराना है
average money. This is the payout. You could see the average payout,
अच्छा।
right, guys?
वो
See this
मैडम
average payout within
उसको off कर
last 3
रखा है
months. This is the amount paid by
सिलेंडर रखना
Netflix
है
to the individual hacker. It may be any person who is sitting at home.
मैं इंटरेक्ट
It may be a student. It may
कर
be a
दूंगा
learning professional. You can't say when your luck get chance, when your skills get practically used. Guys, come on! After seeing so much money, I can't like see people enthusiasm.
मैं फैमिली क्रिएट कर देता हूँ
Come on, guys, give me a shout out at least.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is the
फॉर्म
bounty
क्रिएट कर
that
देता हूँ बताइए ना
given by Netflix.
डिटेल्स आ जाएगी
So
किसने
I
अचीवमेंट
thought of getting into Netflix, but that would be very unfair because if I get make you familiar with the website so that you could go and try it on your name and you'd be setting that it is be given by me as when I show you the practical stuff over here. So that's I'm not going to do over here so that you could get my part of bounty in your fame.
Okay.
Finally one laugh. Okay. I guess rest of them didn't understand what I said. Anyone else?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. If I show you this attack, let's say if I show you this Netflix attack, if I do by myself, and then you'll say like, okay, the sir tried the same. I'll go and create my account and I'll start doing this on Bug Bounty. And if it's successful, then I'll be getting it on my behalf. Like I'm teaching you, so you'll be getting on my behalf.
Yes,
So
sir.
it'd
Yes, sir. Of course, we will mention you in our any post on LinkedIn
Okay, so
if
you're
we
not
will
saying that
disclose
you'll be
that.
giving me that money, right? You're keeping that money with you, and you're just mentioning me that I taught you.
Yeah, we will mention you in our post.
If you give me
Guided by
partial
you.
account, that would be more good, right? Okay, that's one part apart. So this is the scopes and reward that I was talking actually. So this is the P1, P2, P3, and P4. These are the types of credentials, that critical level of attack that has been given by Netflix. If you find P1 vulnerability attacks, they'll be paying you around $4,000 to $20,000. If your attack is like around P2, so they'll give you like 1,500 to 4,000 something sort of. So that's how they discriminate like awards, like how you find the credentials, like how it is more harmful for Netflix to be showcased as an public attackers. So that's the thing. And these are the scope. Like I want to show you the scope. This is the like, let's keeping the money side apart right now because we are trying to learn over here. So what is scope actually? Scope is something that Netflix gives. These are the website that you could attack. Netflix have given you this website. Like you could open any like let's say www.netflix.com, and they'll give you an opportunity to hack only on this website. Or you could as someone said, like a domain, right? So anyone came across subdomains part? Anyone know what is subdomain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
No, company websites.
Okay. Anyone else? Come on, guys, speak up. Now I'm giving you money and giving you knowledge. What else you want? Come on, guys. I want answers. Okay, so let's say this is the main DNS, like www.netflix.com. It is the main like let's say Netflix account, but you have subdomains, or you could say sub form of Netflix that has been here, like APK, like api.netflix.com. This is not known by people actually. They only try to attack www.netflix.com. I guess Ilton has said something, right? I tried on Google, I tried on Facebook, but I didn't crack anything. Guys, right, Ilton? Is Ilton over here? Ilton. Guys, I want you to speak up because I can't hear you. I can't every time come over here and see who guys are speaking and who guys are not speaking. Ilton, you there?
प्लेटफॉर्म्स है फॉर बग बाउंटी ऐसा
Okay, I guess he's not there. Huh. So he tried saying that like he tried to attack, let's say Facebook, or he tried to attack some
उसको लगा मैं दे रहा हूँ मुझे घंटा नहीं आता
So he might have also tried about Netflix.com, but he don't know that there are pro part of this like subdomains which are been given by companies that you don't know as a hacker. They also give you this type of scope in this. So that's the thing I am trying to bring this into consideration. So that what are the scopes? These are the forms of vulnerabilities, so that I won't be covering this in depth, so that you guys won't get more compiled with, right? As a start intro, I don't want to make you more overwhelmed with this. So okay. So let's say these are the scopes that I mentioned, and out of scope. Let me talk about out of scope also. As an hacker, you never think of making you compromised, right? But you always want to try to attack, but there are some things that you shouldn't be touching as an hacker as well, because company want it to be safeguarded. Like let's say it may be their database or their sensitive data storage or their cloud platform. Like hacker never find, if they find some connection, hacker try to penetrate into that, but it would be leading or taking that server down from the company as well. As so, like companies themselves mention like you shouldn't. Okay, yeah, go on. End out. Someone spoke just right now, right? Anyone having any doubt? Anyone else, guys? If you have any doubt, I'm just trying to explain, but if you don't get, you could clarify your doubt right now over here. I won't come
Just a
again over here.
disturbance.
Okay. Guys, anything
अरे
you want to
यार,
know?
लौंडा आया,
Like whatever I
mic on
told
था
till
तो-
now. You have seen this website, so you want to know by yourself. Anything?
डेट बता.
No doubts. Seriously. I'm not getting any doubts, or you're not getting any
24th
reaction on this.
March.
No, sir, no doubt. You
मैंने
explained
क्यों है?
everything in a very easy way.
Okay, finally one response. Thank you so much.
24th
Anyone
March.
else?
तुम
Guys,
तो घर
speak
पे
up,
होंगे ना?
guys. Please.
No, no doubt.
अच्छा तू
Cool. Finally.
पी रहा है उसे?
Okay. So these are the
हाँ,
out
तो
of scope
ना,
thing
गड़बड़ी और फिर
that
फोन नहीं उठाया.
like hackers shouldn't be
हो
getting
जाती है
into that
आपको.
website. So these are the things that as a person or any attacker, you shouldn't be going in
वीडियो
this
कॉल तो कर
website and
लियो.
particularly trying to
देखना
get
क्या पी
that
रहा है.
hack. Like, if you get that hack, company would give you fine or they'll be putting you into imprisonment. That's the thing that you should keep in mind. You should always read what are the out of scope thing. Please read. It has been mentioned in bracket. Please read. So you could like get the importance of this thing. What like actually they want to get yourself over here. And these are the non-rewardable things target. Like I know everyone would be thinking like, what if I get some attack successfully run, and but they didn't give me any vulnerabilities, or they didn't give me any bounty, or they didn't give me any swagges. Does it also happens? You find a vulnerability, but they tell like it's not that critical that I'll give you bounties or I'll give you swagges. It may happen, right?
Yes, it happens.
Yeah. So
Saransh
as an
Singh.
hacker, you feel like demotivated, or you don't feel like I tried to help them to safeguard their system, or I spent my much amount, ample of things and my knowledge to this website, but they didn't approach it appropriately. So this also happens. You could also like just before attacking, you should always read this, because what if you're using their individual, let's say their Google Docs, like it's publicly viewable, right, from everyone. See, they have mentioned, see publicly accessible google.coms or Google Drive links. Like as an attacker, you try to penetrate and you get an sensitive data from Netflix. Let's say you get a link or you get some Google Drive link, right, inside, or their drive link where the streaming platform has been mentioned. So you feel like, yeah, I just got this. I directly without logging in, I went to that, and I could see what are the contents inside and what are the things, gaming, or it may be movies or anything series listed, right? You feel like, yeah, I did something. Rather than logging in, I just get into that, but they won't give you because it are publicly accessible to the Google Documents and Drive links. They want people to come up and see that. That's what people are not reading over here, so that they don't get rewards over here. So they feel like demotivated as a bug bounty hunter. Like I can't do or something sort of. I did so much, but I couldn't get reward. So that's where you should always read this. That's the importance of not reading on this. Okay, finally coming to the main stage, guys. I might be taking this a bit longer. I feel like ending up this session and wrapping up this a bit quickly so that you could be more engaging with this. So this is the point. We got into Netflix. These are the focus area, guys. I guess you might have like tolerated me throughout this theoretical form. Like previously, I talked upon cross-site scripting. Do you guys remember?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about this particularly. I have highlighted. If anyone don't get what I'm talking actually about. So I gave you a theoretical purpose. What is cross-site scripting? I gave you about SSRF that is not mentioned over here. These are the focus area, but Netflix wanted to find cross-site scripting. They are telling you the first link that is cross-site scripting. They want you to find cross-site scripting. Now I might have told you like data exposure. Let me go back to the screen. No, let it be. Okay, so I guess you might have known that cross-site scripting, this is the thing we talked about. You might also know about SQL injection if someone might have studied. What is SQL? You usually know, right? Everyone might know. I guess you are everyone from CS background. Anyone not from CS
Yes,
background?
for the databases.
Okay, cool. Anyone not from CS background? Computer science in sense. Or cybersecurity, not from cybersecurity background. Come on, guys. At least everyone is given positive response. I want someone to, like, they are passionate to learn, but they are not learning. Anyone like that?
I think everyone is from CS background. That's why they are not replying.
I don't know why you guys are not replying, because I want you guys to reply so that I could be more engaged. I could share my more knowledge to you in this webinar. Okay, so this is the thing that cross-site scripting they provide. So let's say, like, what is cross-site scripting? Let's take this into practical stuff. Okay, let's say, okay, so this is the thing, right? Scope we covered, rating and rewards. I show you the rewards, bounty, what you get. This is the highest bounty you get is like 10,000 to 20,000. It may be 50,000 as well. You don't know. Like it's more critical. You might give into millions. Like Google give you in millions. So you don't know what are the types of reward that you would be getting. Like the rating and the reward that you would be getting as a bug bounty hunter. Okay. So let me give you a small tip. I guess it's time for tip, right? Do you want me to show you some practical stuff?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yes, for sure.
Not on Netflix, because you will be getting my bounty on my behalf to you.
We are okay with other websites also.
Okay, cool.
Bhai,
Anyone
tu-
else who is not interested, or
कौन सी
like
website पे
there is
करेगा
like
ये?
it's okay, we'll go with theory first. Someone like that?
यार ये किसी दूसरी वेबसाइट पे
Guys,
अटैक
come
करके
on, speak
दिखाएगा
up.
अभी बट ठीक है बट उसकी
Everyone on
बाउंटी वाला
practical. So
प्रोग्राम
let's deep dive
चलना चाहिए
into practical stuff.
अगर उसका
Right?
बाउंटी वाला प्रोग्राम नहीं चलेगा
Okay.
और ये गलत वेबसाइट पे अटैक कर देगा तो
Before
हम हमेशा
diving,
बंद
before
रहेंगे
diving. So sorry to guys
नहीं कर
making you
रहा
wait
पता
over
क्या
here.
किया
These are the
मार्क तो
platform,
देख
guys. You could just
कहता
screenshot
विल
it,
डू
or you
दिस
could note it down.
थिंग इन द
If you
नेक्स्ट
guys
वेबिनार
feel like if I start learning and what are the platform
प्रैक्टिकल
that I could start
कर
my
दिया
bug
इसने
bounty
गूगल
journey.
स्लाइड चला
So these
गया
are the platform that is
बहुत अच्छा किया
HackerOne,
इसने
HackerOne,
इसने वो पूरा कर
Bugcrowd,
लिया एंड
Snack, and
टिप्स
etc.
बोला
etc.
थोड़ा
etc. You could
बोला
read on.
उसके बाद कह
I
रहा अगले
want
वेबिनार में दिखा दूंगा तुम्हें कैसे
telling
करते
you
हैं
this in proper discrimination so that you won't feel much bored. I guess everyone took the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone who did not come up with any of this website before? Like you are hearing this for first time. Anyone like that?
Yes,
Or
sir.
you-
Like Synac and Cobalt and Dectify.
Okay. So you by this webinar you try to get
डोंट
this
नो अबाउट दीस
like new type of platform that you
Yes,
were
sir.
not aware about.
दो ही मेन है
Okay, that's the main motive of cyber hacks, to teach you guys or to educate you that you are not we want you to make more yourself
बढ़िया
well versed in every single system so that you could
We are here
engage
to
with
educate
more
you.
bug bounty programs. So that's the main motive of cyber hacks.
Our main
I want you to give each and everyone a proper feedback, guys, because that would be my reply from your side that how I am teaching you. But I'm not making you wait for the practical stuff. Okay, so let's get back to some practical stuff, guys. You guys interested?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally. Anyone came across this platform, Portswigger?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Portswigger.
Okay, cool.
काम
Anyone who
किया
did
है
not
इसने
came across
भाई
this?
प्रैक्टिकल के नाम पे पोर्ट्सवेयर खोल दिया इनने
Come on,
इसने
guys.
उसकी लैब्स
Yes
करनी
or
थोड़ी
no, yes or
मुश्किल
no?
होती है
Guys, give me a yes or no.
मैं इसके
No,
वेबिनार
okay.
में बैठूंगा
So everyone came across this. Give me a yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So for the person who came across this, I was thinking of getting Netflix into this play, but I wanted to make this introductory basis, because if I show you directly on the Netflix form, I would like to take the prerequisite. Like I want to set up my lab, I want to set up my Kali Linux, I want to set up my Bub suite. Have you ever came across Bub suite?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. I got one yes. Is that
Hemant.
who said yes? Hemant. Oh, okay. Anyone else? Bob suit. I am talking about this Bob suit. Anyone came across this? Okay, I got one yes, one more yes. Anyone else? Okay, Karthik Aryan. Okay, only 2-3 of them. The people who don't know. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, speak up. Okay, I got 3 yes. That's very good. Anyone else? Like you guys worked. I want someone to speak. Like Hemant, you're speaking. Anyone? Like I want Richfield or like Iron Man. Pretty cool name.
11 तक खींचेगा ये.
Okay, so I want you guys to speak up. Like, I want, have you ever came across this verb suit term and you tried to use that, or you never used that? No one used it? No, okay. Black iron. Okay. Fine. Just taking it more slowly, guys. I don't want to make you more wait for this website, like for this webinar, I would say. So here, like for the thing who don't know Bob suit, what are the things? I'll be teaching you this from entire thing in like our further webinar. That is our part 2. This is the part 1 of the webinar that we'll be considering over here. So I want to show you what Netflix give you the scope of cross-site scripting, right? So I want you guys to know what cross-site scripting is. Rather than directly hacking the Netflix account, I want you to show this on Portswigger. Like people who don't know, because some people might know, some people might not know. So I want people to, everyone might know, because if I take this platform to an intermediate state, or let's say to an critical stage, people who are just learning or started learning with, they might don't know, right? So that's the thing I'm doing right now over here. So I already discussed what are types of XSS. Like this is the thing Netflix offers us, right? They say only cross-site scripting, but they don't specifically say that is reflected XSS, that is stored XSS, or this is DOM XSS, right? So how do you know like what is the proper types of XSS that has been stored in this Netflix account? Get it? So that you could get your bounty. How would you know that what kind of attack you could do to get this bounty? So let's say like it has reflected XSS. I am just taking this consideration of reflected XSS. Let's say this is a Netflix account. Okay. I guess people might already know, have solved this. Anyone solved this before? Hemant, did you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I got one. So you already solved this. That's very good. Anyone else? Used it. Okay. Have you? Are you here? Yeah. Sahil also is here. You could speak up with me, Iron Man. I don't know what's your real name. Okay. If you're comfortable, you could say that loud. So let's say like this is Netflix website, for example. I don't want Hemant. Like Hemant, I know that you're like pretty much worst, like used to it. I want people who don't know anything, because this is the part 1 of the webinar. The part 2, I'd be practically showing you the things, how you initialize, how you set up, and how you do that. So this is the part 1 where I want people to know what is this reflected XSS attack. Let's say this is Netflix. You search any movie name, let's say Iron Man, because I love that Iron Man name. Can't open this page. What happened?
यार इसका नेट अभी जाना था.
Okay. The server is busy, seems.
नेट नहीं चलता. कुछ सर्च कर रहा है, एंटर नहीं हो रहा मतलब.
Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, let it be. Let me start again. So sorry, guys. My net is a bit lagging, I suppose, I guess. Give me a shout out in case like you see a proper screen. Until that, Hemant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Hemant, do you want to just recap things? What are the types of injection like you came across?
Injection.
Like you said, you have solved this. That's why I'm asking you.
Yes, sir. I did that. I took a script and tried to upload in search box and the HTML link. After that, it showed on screen.
Okay, cool. Fine. Okay, I'll come back to you Hemant, after this, like after this end of this webinar, so that I could discuss you more like in depth, right? So I
Okay.
want people also. Okay. So guys, let's say this is Netflix, right? User man right now over here. Okay. You'd be searching and you'd be getting, let's say, okay, you'll find the movie name and you'll be getting Iron Man over here, right? Guys, give me a yes or no, right? Because I want your response over here. Anyone? Give me a yes or no. How to become pen tester. I'll answer your like everything after this like practical session. For now, just give me a yes if you guys could see or you could feel interactive with me, because I'll just love this name Iron Man. A person like a friend of us like have posted this. So let's say like this is the thing that reflected accesses. You searched Iron Man and it's showing you Iron Man. Have you ever imagined why it's showing Iron Man again over here? You always like see zero searches results for Iron Man. You think like Iron Man movie is not there in that platform, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you'll do? You'll just say like, okay, I didn't get Iron Man. I'll try to find like, let's say, I don't find Iron Man properly. So I'll what I'll do is I'll try searching by capital IRON, keeping it space and searching again. What you'll get the result? You'll again get this result. You'll get reflected zero searches found for the Iron Man. What you'll be doing, like you'll be thinking, okay, this website is not working or Iron Man movie is not available. But have you ever came across that Netflix, if they say you don't have this term Iron Man or Iron Man movie, so what they'll be doing is like they'll be showcasing you this. But here is a twist for an attacker. If a website show you the same thing, let's say the website show you the same search command that you listed in the search box, like you search right for the movies. So this is the movie name you searched, Iron Man, let's say. So this movie would be reflected back to you. It will say we don't have Iron Man, right? So we are sorry, so sorry, we don't get Iron Man on this website. So what we'd be doing is like, let's say an attacker, he want to perform an attack over here. Okay, so this is the greater back symbol. Okay, wait. Okay. Let's say this is the greater back symbol. I want to get into iCloud of that system. Get it? Like I want to see the cloud storage where the every single platform has been stored in Netflix, right? You also want to get free access to Netflix. Everyone try to get credential, but no one tries to get directly into that Netflix, right? Can I get a yes? Guys, there are 13 of them. No one is speaking. Come on, guys. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, your sound is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay, cool. What I am speaking is like everyone tried to go and search on Netflix that Iron Man is there or not. But anyone tried to get direct access to Netflix rather than getting into that cloud, get their database. I get every movies for free, right? I have unlimited subscription. No one think of that. Everyone thinks like they'll go to their friend, they'll say you have this okay, you have this OTT platform security system, so I'll take your like Netflix and I'll use. That's the thing we are doing. But no one came
Yes, sir.
across this. No one will try to get into this Netflix and build proper database. So let's say I type iCloud, I want to get their cloud storage, like their database. Okay, so let's say I search iCloud. See over here, before I searched Iron Man, now it's not showing me iCloud. You could see this.
The fuck?
Yes, sir.
Why it's not showing? Anyone? Any guesses?
Because of the word you use, the greater than, maybe it is denying to save in server.
Okay, very good point. Anyone else? Guys, come on, speak up. Just get some guesses. Like Hemant is coming up by himself and talking. I want someone else also. I want to interact with Hemant, you, and every single person over here. Anyone? Guys, are you speaking up? Sir, how to become okay? This is the last question. I guess no. Okay. So I want to make you wait more. So why you don't get this symbol? You know, right? So over here, the term I use, that is this and iCloud. What is this symbol? This first symbol over here. This is something that that is very inappropriate as an person. This is a malicious code kind of script that we used. This symbol tempt that server don't accept this symbol. They usually say no special character allowed. Why do they say why no special character allowed? They only want your username and your everything in normal alphabetical numerical, right? So that's the reason people don't know what's the power of special character usually. So okay, so this is how you don't get, let's say you nothing shows over here, right, after searching. So I won't get iCloud. I didn't get into iCloud. So I don't want to keep you more waiting because it's more than 1 hour, I guess, we started. So let's say I'll go with the script, okay? I say, let's show you the script. Okay, this is the script. I want to use, let's say it's an reflected XSS or like it's a Netflix account. If I use this vulnerability or I use this malicious code on any website, that would be giving me a feedback from the website that you have successfully logged in. Let's say I'll be using, okay, this script. Guys, I don't want to go and try in every single website, okay? Because you might be leading this into like imprisonment, or you'll be getting fined if you practically apply this prompt anywhere in any single platform, because companies don't want you to get the sensitive data and you'd be jailed for this. I'm repeating once again, do not try this in any
Disclaimer
single
दे देते
platform
अच्छी बात है।
without like without
ये करके
knowing this
दिखाओगे तो जेल
criticalness of this vulnerability. So this is an injection attack, okay? Let's say I search this, let's say I put this input validation in Netflix, okay? Here I was not getting any response, iCloud. I tried iCloud, but it showed me nothing, zero search. What if I search this? What you guys could see?
Again, a search box.
Okay. Any more guesses? What is this?
Reflected XSS.
Okay, reflected XSS. Good. Anything else, guys? Come on, just try to think what I did over here. And why is it showing 1 over here? Why only it's showing 1 over here? And why is this dialog box, this pop-up is coming? Anyone? Guys, 13 of them. Speak up, guys. No idea, sir. Come on, talk. I would love that if you say by your mouth, I never came across this. I would love to explain you this. Just unmute and speak. That would be very good. I love to explain you. Okay, so I'll take this as no. What this pop-up do, you know, Hemant, like you said, this is an search box again. It's not a search box, you know. It would be giving you sensitive data. You know, you could play with system over here. Let's say if you copy this website, okay, I'm copying this website, and let's say, Hemant, I have your contact number, okay?
Okay.
Or I got your contact number, or I got anyone's contact number through scam, and I copied this link, and I sent you on WhatsApp. As a person, you know or you don't know, what you'll be trying to do is, you'll say like, let's see what is this link. Or you got this on email or somewhere. They redirect you to this platform. If you copy this, let's say I copy this, okay, and I opened, let's say this is Hemant page or like Hemant browser. When he clicks that, this link is been sent by hacker, that is me, right? So I have sent this. When Hemant open this, he get this dialog box every single time. Why?
Because it is the script you run, it's saved in server.
Cool. Okay. Very good response. Anything else, guys? Why do you think, like, if any hacker sends you Okay, just basics of JavaScript. Yeah, I know. I'm just making familiar to everyone so that everyone don't get over compelled with it. I could take it in depth in further part of webinar, Iron Man. So I would like to wait after this webinar so that I could speak one-on-one with you. For now, I'm just taking it like for basics for people who don't know. Okay, so Hemant, what do you think? Why is this pop-up coming up?
Sir, same that I responded. The script you ran, it's saved in server.
Okay, so that would be opening in your browser, right? So what it would be doing is like it would be redirecting you, or it would be taking you to some third-party redirected website that has been created by website. So here the thing what I am doing is I am trying to create this sensitive data exposure. While if you properly inject, like let's say I injected proper malicious code over here, right, in Netflix. Okay,
Yeah.
so I injected proper code, XSS code on this Netflix. So it would be giving me the it won't be giving me this one. It would be giving me your name, Hemant. What it will give if you have your account over there, it would be giving me your Hemant. Like let's say, what's your last name, Hemant? Yadav. So Hemant Yadav @gmail.com, your username or anything it might be, right? And
Yes,
your
sir.
password. So it would be giving me a credential over here. It won't be giving me one. I could search multiple numerous form of, like it would be hashed actually. It won't be directly visible to your eyes. If you think that, okay, I got this and it would be like readable. It's not readable, it's encoded. If you don't know encoded meaning, I would like to see you, it's been converted into hash value so that human can't read that value. But if you convert that value to human readable, you'll get to know that username is Hemant Yadav and his password is 1, let's say. So I could read that what your password and what is this. So I don't need to approach you and ask for it. I could anytime log in by Hemant. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So what this happens? This makes your account visible to public or the hacker so that he could sell your account. He could do any mischief. He could change your password. Like once you get the password, you have infinite reach. You could go anywhere, any website. You could go and you could do like let's say what you'll be doing. As you get anyone's account, you'll go change the password, change the email address, so that you will be getting this term. Like what say? You're getting the full access of that account. That's the thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's the thing. What here I want to tell you what Netflix as an platform or multiple platform that you see would be giving over here. So these are multiple terms of like highest paid ranges and all the companies. Let's say this Tesla. Who don't want to hack Tesla? Let's say for today's date, convert this $1 lakh into
90 lakhs.
Yeah. So who don't want to hack Tesla? That's the thing. As an bug bounty hunter, that's the importance of this kind of attacks, right? You get it? Why this is so critical? Once I give this, okay, let's say, okay, what does it say? Congratulations, you have solved this. Means I got the credential, right? You guys get it?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, do you do a live bounty? I already previously mentioned, I guess you joined late. What if I do proper hacking and then you like just copy that bounty and you paste it for yourself and you'll say that's mine? That's very unfair, right? So that I would be covering in further bounties, like further webinars. So don't worry, you could join that. Okay. So, okay, thumbs up. Cool. So that's the thing what I was trying to teach you. This is something that as an like let's say this is an XSS attack that has been performed by Netflix, which Netflix allows you to go check in that prompt. They want you guys to come up to their website, their scope, and they want you to perform this types of website. And as an cyber hack profession, I want to make you sure that until you guys are connected with me, I'll be teaching you all single attacks so that you would be more engaging with this like interactive session and you would be more engaging with this stuff. That's my main motive as a person, and I would like to be more friendly with you. I want to interact with you. That's the main motive of me to engage with you right now. Okay. So you got a practical demonstration a bit.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys enjoyed it? How
Yes,
do you
sir.
feel?
Very good. We enjoyed a lot.
Okay, Hemant. I'm sure that you might have enjoyed a lot because you were more interactive.
हेमंत राव
I myself feel like
क्या
giving
है
you bounty on my behalf to you.
पक्का हो
Not
गया
now,
ये
but sure in future, if you interact with me the same way that you did
टेस्ट वाला नहीं
today
है
or in
पूछता
further
रहता
you'll
है
be
कि ये
doing,
कैसे होगा
I am
Genuine
sure that
questions.
you would be taking my behalf of bounty to yourself.
ये वही बंदा
That's
जिसने
very
कहा था
sure.
बाउंटी कर लो हम
I will be
रिपोर्ट
very
कर देंगे
thankful to you, sir.
मतलब बाउंटी ये निकालेगा
पार्टी
कि
तो
ये गड़बड़
बनती है
थी
भाई, if you
रिपोर्ट
know
वगैरह में पैसे
बिल्कुल
ले लेगा
बिल्कुल
और फिर
सर
इसका नाम
जो
डाल
आप
देगा
बोले
ये बक्से उसमें
वही
डाल रहे
वही
थे
पार्टी तो बनती
कहता
है उस
नहीं
पैसे से, बाकी
खुद
अमाउंट आप
करो
रख लेना, थोड़ी बहुत तो पार्टी मेरी बनती है उसमें.
yes sir of course
Okay, so these are the case studies. This is the final step. As I said, this is the 10th module that I'll be covering right now. So let's say it is Shopify, it may be mail, UR or group J something. This is some example, okay? I just want to give you example how these are the kind of things like our platform. Let's say we find Shopify or let's say we find Netflix right now. So here the connection of the user with local business and worldwide, like they have an OTT platform for Netflix. So the bug bounty programmer by ethical hacker come up to uncover vulnerabilities. Like let's say that XSS vulnerability, what we found in a practice session. If we perform that on the particular website, you would be getting the sensitive data. So if you properly align that and you give a proper explanation, you will be giving and getting a bug bounty from Netflix to you. That would be in dollars, and you know what's the importance of that and how it would develop your career into cybersecurity. Okay, so these are the I have just mentioned these 3 types of website. For example, there are more let's say this mail RU group. Okay, since 2014, it is mail RU group that has been resolved over 4,300 vulnerabilities. You might think like if one hacker tried XSS, like let's say I taught 13 people. How many people are there in this website mate right now? Okay, 11. I guess people left. So 11 people I taught. What they'll be doing, they'll be going and just practicing this throughout, right? So as practicing this, everyone know what is XSS right now. So what if everyone try to find XSS, but they don't know there are 3 types of XSS. You might find more vulnerabilities. As security develops, the update comes and more vulnerability also arise. As a cybersecurity expert, you should know that when every update comes, there is some glitch or there is some changes that has been done by company to safeguard that system. So as an hacker, you should be more innovative. I want you guys to be more innovative, something sort of. Okay. So there are multiple types of vulnerabilities that you could carry out through this vulnerability platform. Coming to the last step, guys, I would like to ask you everyone your valuable feedback. You could unmute and speak. I'd be very glad if you could speak, or a link has been shared in your chat box so that you could give up proper feedbacks on how was my speaker as a speaker event, like how I dedicated your knowledge to further step, or did I took it like what things that I could improve so that you could be more engaging in further webinars or courses. Anyone who would like to unmute and speak? What you love the most in this, or like what else you wanted to be added, or something I could improve myself?
sir your friendly nature was good
Okay. Anyone else, guys? I want to give you an feedback. Please, please, that would be very good for me so that I could improve myself. Guys, anyone? Only Hemant.
Hello, am I audible enough?
Oh, Richfield. Yeah.
Yes, this meeting was a great one. We loved how you were relating the Portugal course to how a real web application will look like and what can happen. I really appreciate that. for showing us how the reflected XSS can work and other stuff. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Richwell. That's very good to hear. Okay. So I would like to fill that feedback form which has been scheduled in that chat box. Okay, so this is the thing, like the feedback form what we did. And thank you so much for joining our session, guys. I would love every single of you to see in the next webinar so that I could, I want you guys to upscale yourself from this basic course to some extreme course that